Okay, got to find the point intersection of these two curves. Right, I'm going to start off. This one's got minus x squared, so I can put them. They're both equal y, so I can put them equal to each other. So 6x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals x squared minus 3x minus 1. It says correct two decimal places. So that rather implies that I was using a calculator. So let's get the x squared onto this side. Take away the 1x squared from the right hand side. Leave us with 5x squared. Get rid of the minus 3x, I have to add 3x to both sides, so I have plus 7x over here. Get rid of the negative 1, so I have to add 1, so that would be minus 2 equaling 0. I always like writing down what a, b and c equal, and a is 5, b is 7, and c is negative 2. And I know that x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So substitute that in. X equals negative 7 plus or minus square root of b squared is 49 minus 4 times 5 times c is negative 2 all over 2a, that's 10. So x equals minus 7 plus or minus, that's 40, root 89 over 10. And what that actually means is that x equals, I always like doing the negative first, minus root 89 over 10, or x equals minus 7 plus root 89 over 10. If I work this out, x equals negative 1.643398, or x equals 0.243398. Those are two possibilities, and I want to find out, I thought I'd find the points of intersection, not just x, so sub into y equals, I can choose the second one, so x squared minus 3x minus 1. Do this one, substitute in here. Y gets to be 6.63095, and here y equals minus 1.67095. So the answers are, the points are minus 1.64 to two decimal places, 6.63, and the other one is 0.24 and minus 1.67. Now, interestingly, if you don't put in the exact value here, I kept it in my calculator. If you had typed in minus 1.64 was x, and then y would have come out to be 6.6096, which equals 6.61. And that wasn't the answer to two decimal places, it's 6.63. So that's a good example of showing why you should always keep the exact answer, or at the very least, if you're asked to give the answer to two decimal places, make sure you keep 3 decimal places the whole way through. But I would keep all the things and learn to use the memory in your calculator. Interesting question, and that's done.